Alright, what's up guys? It's Michael Stewart here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a smartphone device to your smart TV. Alright, so that it can mirror it, right? So I'm using Android and I'm going to connect it to this television, right? So this is a pretty cheap television. It's a Blue Sonic device, Blue Sonic television, and I'm going to show you how that works. So what you want to do, you want to of course ensure that your television is on, and both devices, both your Android device and your television is connected to the same network, the same Wi-Fi connection, right? So both of them are on the same network, right? So first, you want to look for this that is set that this right here that says TV cast. So I'm going over to TV cast, choose that, right? And it's using something called kind link connection, right? So right now it's waiting on my device to actually do that, and the name of my device is Smart TV, right? So what I now need to do, so let me show you this on this, ensure that this is focus. All right, so I'm using Android 14 on this device right here. So you want to go inside settings. So where is settings? Did I just pass it? Yes. So you want to find settings, right? And then go to connected devices, right? And what you're looking for is this thing right here that says Smart View, right? So ensure that this is focus, right? So Smart View, we click that, and then as you can see, we are seeing the name of our device, which is Smart TV, which is the same thing that is on the television. So we click this and wait, and just like that, the television is now displaying what's on my phone, right? So they're showing the same things right now. Pretty cool. So of course you can use this to do so many things. You can do a presentation from this, you can play some games on this, you can for example, we're trying to access some websites like Television Jamaica, CVM, and there's no casting option. With this you can actually play the the CVM app on your device, and it will be playing on your television, right? So if you found this video to be helpful, of course, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and until next time, peace out and take care.